6 Amazing health benefits of oats. As it is known to all, oat is one of the best breakfasts. Oat is also known as hulless oat or naked oat. It is a low-sugar, high-nutrition, and high-energy organic food. Among the top 10 kinds of healthy food in the world, oat ranks the 5th. According to the latest report from the researchers, oats have 5 health benefits that are little known to people. First, oats contain a large number of soluble fibers and insoluble fibers, which can absorb a lot of cholesterol in the body and excrete it out of the body, so as to effectively reduce the level of cholesterol in the body. Regular consumption of oats can play an important role in preventing cardiac, cerebral, and vascular diseases, which are the major threat to middle and elderly people. Second, oats contain plenty of high-viscosity soluble fibers, which can delay the emptying of the stomach, increase the feeling of satiety, and control the appetite. The diet structure containing oats can help long-term control the energy intake, as well as the influence of the carbohydrates on blood glucose. What's more, oat fiber can also reduce the sense of hunger, so it is of course very beneficial for weight loss. Today many people have included oats in their daily diets, which can both provide enough nutrition and control the appetite. Third, oatmeal has the function of promoting bowel movement. Many elderly people will suffer from dry stool, which may easily lead to a cerebral vascular accident. In such a case, oatmeal or oats can eliminate the trouble brought by constipation. Fourth, oats contain a variety of mineral substances such as calcium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, and so on, which have the effects of preventing osteoporosis, promoting the healing of the wound, as well as preventing anemia. It is good food for calcium supplementation. Fifth, oat is extremely rich in linoleic acid, which has a secondary curative effect on fatty liver, diabetes, edema, constipation, and so on. What's more, it is also very helpful for the elderly people to increase their physical strength and prolong their life. Sixth, in addition, oats can also improve blood circulation and relieve the stress caused by work and life. What's more, oats can not only be eaten, it can also be made as a skincare product for women. Based on the texture of the skin, you can DIY a variety of facial masks made from oats so as to care for your skin. For more information, check the description link. Comment your favorite part. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.